All right, we're live. Here we go. Got the mini excavator. Looks like they ran into a little rut. Looks like they're putting down their mesh, their bonding wire per code, getting ready to pour concrete. A pretty successful day. This darn rut.
Yeah, you're
We're blaming an old landscaper for putting that tree there, right where we need to dig. I'm so glad you took this challenge on. I thought I was gonna have to dig this out, Joel. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Load it.
Yeah. What?
The old and the new. So we got the existing transition down to the lake. You know, that's a lot of stairs. That's a lot of calf workout is what that is. What we're doing is where I'm standing is I'm on our new pavilion deck. Got a vaulted ceiling, again, see-through view. What we're trying to do is make a transition right here so that we can go from this level and hit this level and make this as seamless as possible. It's really coming along. We've got these super awesome barn doors. No, they're not. They're just wood panels. They're temporary. But this room's coming along real nice. Obviously still in the rough out phase. We did get windows in. Shaboom. Shabba. Wow. Nice view. So you're actually, when we're done, this will be all glass right here. And these doors are going to slide to the left, slide to the right. You know the song. All right.